This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Juliana Burns. Elegantly renovated home with high-end finishes while restoring that Siesta Key charm. This 3-bedroom, 3-full bathroom home has undergone a major renovation finished June 1, 2023. Starting with the exterior, new paint, hardware, landscaping, paver drive, and eco-friendly laid shell. The first floor is about 1,300 square feet comprised of parking, a storage unit, a separate workshop space, and multiple entertainment spaces. The front staircase crafted with composite decking and anti-rust railing provides a low-maintenance and resilient entry. Upon entry, the 2-story vaulted ceilings, wood-look tile, modern baseboards, and open concept gives the impression of a new construction home. Extra large windows provide ample indirect lighting while you decide which picturesque view is your favorite. The great room is open to the no-expense spared kitchen. New white, soft closing cabinets finished with a white quartz counter. New stainless steel appliances paired with a retractable exhaust hood which is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The reverse osmosis water system, fluted glazed tile backsplash, recessed lighting, and removal of upper cabinets elevate the space even further. Frosted glass panel door provides light and privacy to the interior laundry room with new appliances, cabinets and storage. Kitchen counters extend into the breakfast bar with panoramic views of the lush Florida native landscape. Flowing into the spacious dining room, sliding glass doors open onto the enormous rear composite deck ideal for sunsets and bird watching. Down the hall is a full bath with shower/tub combo, brushed gold hardware, and crisp white herringbone tiles on the walls that showcase coastal modern floor tiles. The neighboring bedroom is a perfect guest room or office with a large window and access to the rear deck. Leading upstairs, both the window and cable railing keep an open, airy feel. The second bedroom is equipped with vaulted ceilings and a large south-facing window bringing in the outdoors. The second bathroom was designed with a walk-in shower, custom-cut shower glass, an infinity drain, brushed gold hardware, and shiplap walls. The glazed modern blue/green shower tiles complement the window view, balancing modern finishes with nature once again. Down the hall, you arrive at the oversized master suite. Vaulted ceilings and windows from the 3rd floor give a bird's eye view of the paradise below. A walk-in closet is big enough for any fashionista. The ensuite master bathroom is a true oasis. Double vanity sinks with fluted cabinets and brushed gold hardware, a coastal chic chandelier, and vaulted ceilings just to start. A stunning standalone tub with a tropical view showcases the mural tiled wall. Just behind, a separate walk-in oversized shower with crackle glazed tile and custom-cut shower glass wall and door. The finishes and design work eye.